with meteorologist Winkler. Hey there, Christina. Good morning, John. And it is going to feel like it's very hot outside. Now, right now we're waking up to some marine layer around Laguna Beach. We're seeing a little bit clearer conditions over in Burbank at this time, where temperatures are in the mid-60s. Relative humidity starting to fall. It's at 65%, and the winds are calm. Looking at the temperatures across the Southland, already feeling the 70s in Victorville and in the high deserts around Palmdale. 68 degrees in Santa Clarita, 66 in downtown LA, and 67 degrees in Santa Ana. So a very mild start to your morning. We're seeing the low cloud layer hugging the coast around Orange County, moving up towards Long Beach. So it's starting to fill in, but that's going to quickly retreat back offshore as we head into the 9 o'clock hour, and that is going to set us up for very warm conditions for the first